In the vast universe of scientific minds, few shine as brightly as the man who looked to the stars and brought India along with him. He was a visionary, a scientist, an institution builder, and above all, a patriot. This is the story of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of India's space program. Born on August 12, 1919, in Ahmedabad into the famous Sarabhai family, one of the most prominent industrial families of India, Vikram Sarabhai was surrounded by privilege and opportunity. But it wasn't luxury that fascinated young Vikram. It was the mysteries of science. He pursued his education at Cambridge University, where he studied natural sciences. World War II interrupted his studies, prompting him to return to India. But even during this time, he was determined to contribute to scientific progress. Back in India, he joined the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore, working under the great physicist C.V. Raman. His early research focused on cosmic rays, invisible rays from space that fascinated scientists around the world. In 1947, he founded the Physical Research Laboratory, PRL, in Ahmedabad, which became the cradle of India's space ambitions. Sarabhai believed science was not just about exploration, but about nation building. At a time when India was just recovering from colonial rule, the idea of a space program seemed like a dream. But Sarabhai had a vision. He said, "We do not have the fantasy of competing with the economically advanced nations in the exploration of the moon or the planets, but we are convinced that if we are to play a meaningful role, we must be second to none in the application of advanced technologies to the real problems of man and society." Under his leadership, India set up the Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, or TERLS, in Kerala. It was here that India launched its first rocket in 1963, a humble beginning that would one day lead to missions to the Moon and Mars. Dr. Sarabhai was not just a space scientist, he was a master builder of institutions. He played a crucial role in establishing the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, or EIMA, the Community Science Centre in Ahmedabad, the Electronics Corporation of India Limited, or ECIL, and more. He believed in the power of young minds. He believed in India's potential. He once said, "We must be second to none in the application of advanced technologies to the real problems of man and society." That belief drove every step of his journey. On December 30th, 1971, India lost one of its greatest minds. Vikram Sarabhai passed away at the young age of 52, but his dreams did not die with him. Today, every rocket that leaves Earth from Indian soil, every satellite in orbit, every young scientist in a lab carries forward his legacy. ISRO, the organization he founded, has made India a proud, spacefaring nation. In his honor, the Space Center in Thiruvananthapuram was renamed Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. India's first moonlander was named Vikram, paying tribute to the man who made the impossible possible. He gave India wings so it could touch the stars. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, a visionary who saw the universe not just as a scientist but as a patriot, a teacher and a dreamer. Soup. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Vikram Sarabhai